Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can view older versions of Google Street View. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you need to be on Google Maps, then drag and drop the Street View yellow man onto a street you want to view. And once you're on a street in Street View, you're going to want to look at the address in the top left corner. And next to the date, which in this case is March 2023, if you see blue text saying see more dates, click on it. And if you click on it, you're going to see a bunch of images pop up, and these will be different versions of Google Street View for the same area from different years. So you can click through all of them to see how the place has changed throughout the years. One thing to keep in mind, if you don't see any text next to the date in the address box, that means there are no older versions for you to look at. For example, this place only has one version from May 2012. There are no other versions because there's no text letting us open up a menu to select other versions. And that's all you need to do to view older versions of Google Street View. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.